Dear students, today we are going to learn English alphabet. आज हम इंग्लिश के अल्फ़ाबेट और इंग्लिश के लेटर सीखने वाले हैं. So dear students, today we are going to learn the new letter S. This is capital S and this is small s. We are going to learn 20 words which start with letter S. Are you ready? तो उससे पहले हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं बहुत ही अच्छा सॉन्ग. Shall we begin? Let's begin. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. बहुत अच्छा सॉन्ग था ना ये. Let's repeat. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Very good. So dear student, this is letter S. Letter S. This is capital S and this is small s. So we are going to learn some words which start with letter S. S is for sun. S is for sun. S is for star. S is for star. S is for sandals. S is for sandals. S is for snowman. S is for snowman. S is for shoes. S is for shoes. S is for shark. S is for shark. S is for shuffle. S is for shuffle. S is for skateboard. S is for skateboard. S is for ship. S is for ship. S is for socks. S is for socks. S is for starfish. S is for starfish. S is for seahorse. S is for seahorse. S is for snake. S is for snake. S is for spider. S is for spider. S is for snail. S is for snail. S is for sup. S is for sup. S is for scorpion. S is for scorpion. S is for stump. S is for stump. S is for soldier. S is for soldier. S is for satellite. S is for satellite. S is for scarecrow. S is for scarecrow. S is for spaceship. S is for spaceship. So dear students, we learned many words which start with letter S. Do you know what is the phonic sound of S? S, 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 S. So now we are going to learn the words with the phonic sound S. S, sun. S, sun. S, star. S, star. S, sandals. S, sandals. S, snowman. S, snowman. S, shoes. S, shoes. Dear students, remember this point. S and H make show sound. Show sound. Sh, shoes. S, shark. Shuffle. Sh, shuffle. S, skateboard. S, skateboard. S, ship. S, ship. S, socks. S, socks. S, starfish. S, starfish. S, seahorse. S, seahorse. S, snake. S, snake. Spider. Spider. Snail. Snail. Sup. Sup. Scorpion. Scorpion. Stump. Stump. Soldier. Soldier. Satellite. Satellite. Scarecrow. Scarecrow. Spaceship. Let's see how to write S. First make half curve, then turn and make another half curve. This is capital S. पहले आपको एक हाफ कर्व बनाना है, फिर उसको टर्न करके एक स्मॉल दूसरा कर्व बनाना है, हाफ कर्व. दिस इज कैपिटल एस. कैपिटल एस और स्मॉल एस भी सेम होता है, बस उसे स्मॉल बनाना होता है इस तरह से. दिस इज स्मॉल एस. अंडरस्टूड? Dear students, let's see how to write capital and small s properly. First we will trace this S, 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 and we have to write the small s on 2 lines. 2 lines पर small s लिखना है इस तरह से. कैपिटल एस 3 लाइन्स में लिखेंगे, ऊपर के 3 लाइन्स में इस तरह से. दिस इज कैपिटल एस. एंड स्मॉल एस सेकेंड लाइन से स्टार्ट करके 2 लाइन्स में लिखेंगे इस तरह से. अंडरस्टूड? स्मॉल एस इस तरह से आपको ट्रेस करना है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई थॉट यू अंडरस्टूड अबाउट कैपिटल एस and small s, and we learned many words which start with letter S. So we will meet in the next video and learn the new letter which is letter T. T, capital T and small t. Till then, keep learning and keep watching. Bye bye.